Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to our routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina, covering today, Monday, August 11th through Sunday, August 17th. For the upcoming weather pattern across Central North Carolina, today we'll have below normal temperatures with isolated storms expected to develop this afternoon with some isolated flash flooding possible. We already have a few isolated storms developing in the northern coastal plain. That's expected to continue on a northerly trend. And then Tuesday through Friday, we'll have near normal temperatures with some afternoon summertime showers and storms developing with the potential for isolated flash flooding. And then a weakening cold front will approach the area from the north late week and result in drier and cooler temperatures on Saturday and Sunday. Our precipitation forecast for the next 5 days. As you can see today, we have periods of some greens or areas of greens and blues, which ranges anywhere from a 1/4 inch to around 1.5 inches. So that will cover that localized flash flooding area. And then on Tuesday, again, some rain, and then Wednesday, rain, Thursday, rain. Again, these are just, afternoon showers and storms. And then Friday, as you can see, we do have some areas, especially across the west, areas of higher amounts, anywhere from, 1/2 inch to 1.5, maybe 1 3/4 inch of rain. Also, here's the bottom right, the 5-day total, getting up into the 2-inch rain for portions of Central North Carolina. With all this rain, we do have a marginal risk of excessive rainfall today and tomorrow with isolated instances of flash flooding. So remember, those localized urban flooding would be more probable where heavy rainfall occurs. And we don't have any severe weather expected Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday into the weekend, but isolated stronger storms can't be ruled out over the next 3 days. So we do have just general thunderstorms possible. Latest on the tropical in the Atlantic, we, as of 11 a.m., Invest 97L has been named as Tropical Storm Erin, and it has an intensity of 45 miles an hour, moving west at 20 miles an hour, and continue west for the next several days. And it is expected to strengthen into a strong major hurricane by Saturday or day 5. As you can see, 11 a.m. Saturday, they have an M, but it is expected to curve north. So right now, no threat to land is expected at this time. Here's just a quick Atlantic tropical outlook, including Erin, but we do have something in the central area with the number 2, a weak low trough that has a 10% chance of forming in the next 48 hours and 7 days, as well as the northwest Atlantic, number 3. By the middle of the week, the system is expected to move north over cooler waters, ending its chances of any tropical development. So again, 10% chance for that. So right now, everyone's probably focused on Tropical Storm Erin. For the next 8 to 14 day temperature outlook covering August 18th through August 24th, we will have slightly above normal temperatures favored and slightly above normal precipitation amounts favored, especially across more of the western portions of North Carolina, with highs generally in the mid to upper 80s and lows in the upper 60s. Here is our experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook, pretty much highlighting lightning possible pretty much every day somewhere located in our Central North Carolina area, and then excessive rainfall today, tomorrow, and then a southeast area Wednesday, and then small portions Thursday and Friday. Again, you can go to this icon on our homepage, click it, and it will show you the map of exactly where these colors are highlighted. And then Thursday, I do want to point out we have an elevated threat for heat, extreme heat. We are not expecting to put out any heat advisories. It's going to be below criteria, but Thursday is going to be the warmest day of the week. So here is our weather summary and expected impacts. Again, below normal temperatures today with some isolated storms this afternoon with flash flooding, and then just diurnal summertime showers and storms developing today through Friday. And then a weakening cold front will approach late week, resulting in cooler temps Saturday and Sunday. And then don't forget that marginal risk for excessive rainfall today and tomorrow across the entire central North Carolina area. And then here's just a graphic of some cities across the area with maximum temperatures for each day. As you note, Thursday, we have generally most of the area in the low 90s with the warmest day. And then minimum temps generally in the 70s, then over the weekend in the 60s.